Now, this building that's going to be built on this site right here represents another important milestone in the success and growth of this great company. We may be 100 years old chronologically, but we are still very young at heart and growing. And this building we're here to celebrate is called Building 14A. So even those from outside the company would probably conclude this must have something to do with Building 14, and indeed it does. We are standing next to Building 14, and I am confessed to having a soft spot in my heart for that old building, because I was transferred to work in there in 1974 as the head of IT, and a move that was advertised as camping because it would only be temporary. Well, 14 years later, 1988, I moved to my current location, and IT is still there. So those from outside will get a bit of a clue as to how this long-term thinking company thinks and what we mean when we call something temporary. Well, we bought this 14 and its companion building over here, Building 15, from United Conveyor back in 1973. And they've both undergone their own share of renovations, but this new building is a big deal. Building 14A will be indeed connected to Building 14, and it is a big deal to us in a number of ways. First of all, this is the first building we've ever built that is dedicated strictly to offices. In this case, offices for technical professionals. Second, at 4 stories, it's going to be 59 feet high, which will make it the tallest building on the campus, beating the Advanced Technology Center's 44-foot record and trouncing the old maximum height rule of 30 feet. Inside will be 52,000 square feet, and it will be the home to almost 250 S&Cers. But I think the thing that makes this building a really big deal is the reason we're building it. For over 100 years, our customers have looked to S&C for our expertise and our experience in power systems, which expertise has normally been demonstrated through the design and manufacture of innovative products. But for the last 20 years or so, we've been working very hard to use that expertise to transform ourselves into a complete solution provider. Our goal isn't just to provide products, but instead, for our customers, electric utilities, renewable energy developers, critical power users all over the globe, to get from us not just products, but complete solutions. And I think the construction of this building, 14A, underscores both the significant success we've had in that transformation and our dedication to continuing to get better and better at being a total solution provider. Now, as a result of a lot of hard work by a lot of S&Cers, our Power Systems Solutions team is one of S&C's fastest growing. And it is primarily for them that we are making this $18 million investment. This group is made up of talented professionals skilled in engineering, design, power system analysis, construction project management, and field service for our complete array of products. They can develop new projects from concept through completion and then on into 24/7 monitoring and in-the-field maintenance. Their projects range from design and installation of complete self-healing power grids and megawatt-sized energy storage systems on through to full turnkey wind and solar plants to provide renewable energy to homes and businesses in this nation and around the world. The Chicago-based team that will be in this building is also the one that sets the standard and provides crucial support for all the power system solution work done by our business units around the world. So, as you can tell, Power System Solutions will occupy the majority of this new Building 14A, which will not only give this fast-growing group room to increase their numbers, but also provides a space that has been carefully designed to help them work together in a common and team-oriented environment to design and build the 21st century power grid. Now, the other group that will occupy this new building is Strategic Solutions. This is the team that does the market planning for our diverse array of solutions and develops the roadmaps for where we should be going in the future. This new building will allow this group to be consolidated from various locations and will be designed with spaces specifically arranged to facilitate the creativity and collaboration of the marketing teams, allowing them to imagine even more revolutionary solutions to our customers' needs. In this way, Building 14A shares a similar purpose with the most recent construction project on our Chicago campus, the Advanced Technology Center, which opened in 2010. Both the ATC and Building 14A are intended to support ongoing innovation of new solutions for power delivery problems. Like the ATC, the room for growth in this new facility will provide the opportunity to have new jobs here that will help S&C, the City of Chicago, and the State of Illinois. In fact, this investment in our community, we anticipate, will bring over 100 new technical positions over the next few years as our business continues to grow. This building, by the way, will also be good for our community, as we expect it will be rated as a LEED building under the U.S. Green Building Council's Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design program. Now, our philosophy has always been not to manage the business for the next quarter, but to build it for the next generation. We have a very strong strategic plan, and this new building will be an important ingredient in achieving the intended growth. Since 1911, Nicholas Conrad, John Conrad, and S&C's current leadership has been consistently committed to this city and doing business here. And for that reason, we are delighted to once again for the fact that we are investing once more into this community and into this city. Congratulations to all whose hard work has made this building necessary. I hope that it turns out to be a terrific place for you to do your work, and I hope it helps make your work both more productive and more enjoyable, and is an important catalyst in your continuing success. So thanks for all that you've done, and let's hope this turns out to be a great investment from your perspective.